Alright folks, let's create a street light. We're gonna add a cylinder and we scale it up through Z-axis. We don't need larger diameters, that's why only Z-axis is enough. Now we move it up and we're gonna apply some loop cut for the lamp. We start with the upper tip of the pole. Yes, just like that. Yeah, it's okay, I think. Yeah, it's better. And we're gonna apply the second loop cut for the lamp, the glass side of the lamp, and we're gonna apply the third one to make sure when we scale up the lamp, the pole still steady without any dimension change. Yes, now we start to create the lamp side. Yeah, move it up after scaling. Yeah, this cone shape will be better, I think. Yeah, that's okay. Let's select the upper faces and scale it up. Yeah, we have a nice cone shape. Now we try to create the hat. I call it hat. Let's first try extrude. No, extrude I think will not work here. Yes, resizing is the scaled up. Yeah, this seems better. Yes, we adjust the position and we scale it down, only the side faces. Yes. Yeah, it looks like a street light right now. Yeah, let's create the bump rings on the body for retro looking. Yes, we apply loop cut. Now we select the faces and we're gonna apply bevel for the rings. Yeah, you see the bevel creates the faces, the thinner faces through the edges, because it shifts the edges I use frequently. Yeah, we select the faces. Not all of them. Yes. Select the faces. I like that. Yeah, also that one. Nice. Now we can extrude. Yes. We have our rings now. We apply some bevel to make sure to smooth the edge of the rings. Yes, seems nice. Let's go. And we apply shade smooth also. We just create the basic light, basic hull light, and then we can scale for the scene. It doesn't matter how big it is now. We creating the foundation right now. We select the bottom face and we scale it up simply. And let's give a good cone shape. And we add a point light just inside the lamp side between pole and head. Yeah, let's move it up. Yes, seems nice. And now we're gonna select the glass side, the faces which we apply glass material. I suggest switch cycle for the glass material because cycle is better than EV for glass applications. Yeah, first I tried principal BSDF but it didn't work well. Then I deleted and added glass BSDF. You can adjust roughness and IOR parameters for your taste, according to your taste. Now it seems not bad. Just here I wanted to show the basic of designing of this light, so you can give any other shape or you can make any other design. It's very simple, as you see. We don't need any nodes and fancy tools, only with default tools, default modeling tools of the Blender. So it seems nice. And you saw on the thumbnail photo. Now we select the bottom face of the head. We're going to apply fully metallic material so it can reflect the light. Yes. Reduce the roughness. Yes. I like that. And you can adjust light diameter. It's all up to you. It seems nice. I like that. You can change light color. It's all up to you. Yes. Let's create a simple scene. I added a plane. I wanted to see how it looks. Let's scale it down. I like that. It's better to parent the point light with the light, so when you need to move the light, so the point light will move along with the light. Yes, we have our light. As you see, it's very nice, fully customizable. It's so nice. I like that. You can apply different materials on the body. You can apply worn material by using shading nodes. It's simply use noise texture, you know. It's so nice. I like that. It's so nice. I like green color for the street lights. As you see, it's so nice. I like that. Yeah, I added an area light for the scene. All this noisy looking because of the cycles, but when you render the scene, it looks really nice. It's so nice. I like that. So we created this light, street light. As you see, it's very simple and quick. You can adjust the light side. You can scale down. It looks a little larger than the foundation. Yeah, as I told you, it's fully customizable. Later on I added some inset and extrude and smooth on the top face, I mean the head of the light. As you saw in the thumbnail photo, now it's looking much more better. As you see, we have our light. So thanks for watching. If you find the content useful, please like and subscribe. Take care. See you later.